What's up? I'm Adam.
And I'm Patrick.
And we are here for the Power BI Users Group in Ede.
Yeah. We're in the Netherlands.
We just got off the flight.
That's right.
And we are here to meet all of you and to show you some cool things about data modeling.
Data modeling.
Right? So what do we start? What are some five key takeaways?
Right. Try to use a star schema.
Star schema is important.
Star schema is really important.
Really important for data models.
Yeah.
Yep.
Number 2, all your transformations, all your mashups, push them back to the source if you can.
If you can, because it's going to speed things up, right?
If not, you can do them in Power Query, but only use DAX as a last resort.
Yes. And then, like, calendar tables are really important. Super important, especially if you want to do time intelligence stuff.
That's right.
Really key.
Yep.
What else we got? Bidirectional relationships. Be very careful with those. Only use them if you know what you're doing with it. Otherwise, you could get bad results.
I like multiple relationships.
I know you like relationships.
Yeah, I do like relationships.
Yeah.
All right. And the last thing is...
And then just relationships in general. And this goes back to the star schema thing, where you want to make sure that you've got the right relationships in place so that your calculations work the way you want.
All right.
We hebben zojuist echt een fantastische avond gehad. We hadden de guys in de Cube en waren zo ontzettend blij dat ze voor ons wilden presenteren. Ze kwamen nota bene rechtstreeks uit het vliegtuig om hier naar de Christelijke Hogeschool Ede te komen. En het was gewoon een geweldige avond. En we hadden 160 mensen die enthousiast hier naartoe zijn gekomen. En dit is geweldig.
Vanavond hebben we een geweldig event gehad. We hebben 160 BI-experts gehost. Erg enthousiast publiek, geweldig entertained. Fijn dat de CAE zo'n plek kan zijn waar de innovatie in de regio gezicht krijgt.
Super was het vanavond en wat vinden we het gaaf om onze kennis en ervaring ook mee te delen in de Power BI gebruikersvereniging. Hey, het was super tof. Bedankt ook de CAE om de faciliteiten te regelen en natuurlijk de guys in the Cube. Helemaal over uit Amerika. Wat was het gaaf.
So, all right, thank you guys. We'll see you at the users group.
No. Also,
How do you want to end this?
I got it. Also, be on the lookout. The October release of Power BI Desktop is on its way, and there is some good stuff in there. I wish we could tell you about, but it's going to be awesome. So be on the lookout. All right, thank you so much for hosting us. We had a great time.